Why you need to show your face now before AI does it for you. Now, I came across something today that really made me think, and it was really scary, actually, really scary. I think that everybody knows the scandal of the Coldplay concert with the video of the couple having the affair. Today, I saw a video, a supposed video of the CEO in an interview, and it looked so real, so real. It really looked like it was him. And really, the only reason you knew that it wasn't him was the things that they had him saying was just so outlandish and so ridiculous that there'd be no way this guy would have said these things when he's caught in this particular scandal if he actually goes and puts his face on video at all, right? So it's really scary what AI can do because this video was completely believable. It's not the early days of AI when we first had videos that moved a little funny and were still a bit robotic. This wasn't like that at all. It really looked like it was him speaking, but it was just the script they had him supposedly saying was just so unreal that you just knew it was fake just because of what was being said. But somebody who hasn't got the context of the story, doesn't know about what's going on, could have looked at that and thought that that was completely real. So really scary what AI can do now on video. Now, you may think that doesn't apply to you. I'm here to tell you why it does and why you need to build a personal brand because it's the only way that you are going to be able to fight this. So it sounds counterintuitive to put yourself out there, means you're more likely to be faked. But I'm going to show you now why it's going to be your biggest security blanket, if you like. So, why do you need to put your face out now before AI does it for you? Because really AI, it's not going to need your permission, doesn't need your permission. It just needs your picture. So if you're someone who's saying, well, I'm okay because I don't really put myself out on video, I don't do video, so no one's going to clone me. They don't need a video anymore. They just need your picture. The software is that good now, the technology is that good that they can create a video from pictures of you. So if you've got some pictures on social media, they can create a video of you. And they don't need your permission. They're just going to do it anyway, whether you like it or not, and whether you're on video or not. And the thing is, if you're not on video and there aren't any actual videos of you talking like I'm talking to you now, you can see what I talk like. You can see my mannerisms and you can see the topics I usually talk about. So if you suddenly saw a video from me and I'm talking about something way out of left field and it's not me, it doesn't, this is not what I'd normally talk about, you'd be thinking, okay, this might be fake. All right. So that's what I'm hoping then is if I keep putting videos out of the real me, it's going to be easier for you to see if something is a fake me. Okay. And you might be thinking, okay, I've got no face online. Well, that just means that AI can just create a new identity for you. They use your name. If there's no pictures of you online and there's no videos of you online, then they can create a whole new visual outlook of you, and nobody's going to know any different because there aren't any videos to compare to. So that is not a safe space to go either. So the only way people will know what's real is if you actually put yourself out there. Okay, that's the only way that they'll know that it's real if they've got videos of you that they can compare to. So really what I'm saying is that video is your digital fingerprint. Really, you can look at it as your digital fingerprint. If you've already got it out there, it's really you saying, hey, this is the real me. And the technology is really good and it is hard. It's getting harder and harder to see what's real and what's not. But at least you've got your kind of digital fingerprint out there already before AI gets to it. Okay. So don't wait for AI to create a version of you. Get yourself out there, get people comfortable with who you are online, and it'll be easier for people to see the fake from the real, and that protects your reputation because the more videos there are of you out there saying the right thing, the less likely a fake video is going to destroy your image, your reputation. All right. Because all of the good videos are going to counter a single bad video like that. So it's dangerous territory we're getting into. It's really scary. And this is a reason why you really need to be creating your personal brand and you putting your stamp on your personal brand, not letting other people do it for you. So if that's something that has kind of created an awareness in you now, I think, oh gosh, maybe I need to do something about my personal brand, but you don't know where to start, or you don't like doing videos and you want to learn how to do videos so that you can get better at it. It's just practice. I was in the same boat. I hated doing videos in the past. So it's definitely something that can be learned. And it's something that I can help you with because I've been through that journey of, I would say, of hell. I was someone who never had that picture taken, let alone got on video. And I managed through a bit of struggle to get through, but I got through it and got to the other end, and you can too. So if you're wanting to develop your personal brand, get in control of your personal brand before AI takes that control away from you, then let me know if I can help you. I will be pleased to get on a call with you, talk to you about it, and see how I can help you to do that. And if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, so that you are notified each time that I put a new video up online. And I'd love to be able to help you with all the information that I have garnered over 20 years of doing all of this online. So I'm really looking forward to being able to help you build your personal brand if that's what you want to do.